Snoring isn't always harmless. It might be a warning sign. Let's find out when to be concerned. Red flag number 1, waking up gasping or choking. This could point to sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops and starts during sleep. Red flag number 2, daytime fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. Snoring might be disrupting your sleep cycle, leaving you exhausted. Red flag number 3, morning headaches. These can be caused by low oxygen levels during the night due to interrupted breathing. Snoring with these signs could mean a serious issue like sleep apnea. Don't ignore it. Talk to a healthcare professional. For more health tips, explore docus.ai.